guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pretty much create a watermark on CapCut PC. So get your video ready. I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to go to library. I'm going to add in my own green screen. Well, get it from Google or something. Then go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word spring, but you're going to add in your own watermark, of course. You can also adjust the font as well. Actually, I might choose this one. Okay, now once you're done, you are going to select shadow and just add it to the timeline. Then I'm going to select this bit, export still frame, and select import project, export. Delete it, media, add in that picture, cut out, chroma key, and select the white bit and adjust it like so. I'm just going to copy and paste this. Select both, right click, create compound clip, go to cutout, select chroma key, and select the green bit. And also adjust the shadow and the strength as well. And you're just going to basically scale it down and put it here, for instance. You can also add in some adjustments if you'd like to. I'm not really sure if it will show saturation and some highlights as well, and you can even sharpen it. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Oops, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!